My semester project is on learning how to surf, and the three main things are when learning how to surf is the where, when, and how. The first thing to learn about is the surf spot. I surfed at Bolinas, Stinson, and Pacifica, and I saw the waves at Pleasure Point and Steamers Lane in Santa Cruz. I used the website called Surfline to learn about the places I plan to surf. Here's a comparison of Bolinas versus Steamers Lane in Santa Cruz. As you can see, Bolinas ability level is for beginners and intermediate surfers, while Steamers Lane is more for advanced surfers. It also shows you the local vibe. As you can see, Bolinas is welcoming and Steamers Lane is more intimidating. Steamers Lane is also very crowded. It's one of the best right point breaks in California and it's very exhausting. You can expect a lot of paddling when going out. Bolinas is a great place to learn how to surf. Bolinas is a beach break, meaning the waves break in a lot of different places like at Stinson. Bolinas also has a sandy seafloor. The next thing to consider is when to go. According to this forecast on Surfline, the surf is 6 to 8 feet, getting smaller during the week. When I was about to go surf, I always checked the surf conditions. I checked to see if there would be waves or swell. I checked the tides because some surf spots are not good at high or low tide. I checked the wind. Offshore winds are better than onshore winds. Onshore winds can make the waves mushy, and mushy waves are hard to catch. Some surf spots have live surf cams. The last thing I researched was what kind of board to use. Shortboards are better for bigger waves and maneuvering and doing tricks. A longboard was perfect for me because it was more stable and easier to catch waves. I interviewed the manager at NorCal Surf Shop in Pacifica to get a more in-depth understanding of board shapes and sizes.
The thicker the board, the higher up it'll float. So that makes a difference as far as like catching the wave. But all the different things that are written here are super important. And a lot of people haven't been thinking about like length, width. We call it girth thickness. Rocker's like the curve. So all those kind of interact to make the board perform how it does. Yeah.
Learning to surf was a lot harder than I thought it would be, but every time I went out, it got easier. Thank you for watching.